Worksheet Perfect Trinomials. Question 2. What value of k will make each expression a perfect trinomial? So here we have 6 examples for you to practice. Now I will do 2 of them for you and others are very similar. And I hope you should get the others. If not, you can always write your comments and contact us. Now 2a is x squared plus kx plus 9 and b is x squared minus kx plus 16y squared. You may first copy all 6 of them. C is 4x squared minus 2kx plus 25. D x squared plus kx plus 100. E 25x squared minus kx plus 16y squared. And F is x squared minus 3kxy plus 9y squared. Okay, like this is very similar to this, right? And it has the same component of y squared. And these two are similar to the first one. So they are good examples to practice. Now, what is a perfect trinomial? Let's first understand that before getting into this. A trinomial is where we have 3 factors. A perfect trinomial is one which could be factored like a plus b whole square. So it has this kind of a factor, a plus b whole square, where if you expand this, you get the trinomial, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square, correct? So that is a trinomial, and we say perfect trinomial when it factors and both factors are same. So in this case, both factors are a plus b. Now, you could also have a minus b whole square. That is also a perfect trinomial. In that case, here you'll find minus 2ab as your center term, right? So let's get back to the question. Now the question says, what value of k will make each expression a perfect trinomial? So this is a trinomial, it has got 3 terms. But to make it a perfect trinomial, we should have same factors like a plus b or a minus b. Since we have plus here, so we normally will get a plus b. But well, k could be positive or negative. Do you understand? That's the beauty. So there could be more than one answer for this. And I say there are 2 answers for this for sure, right? Now, how do we correlate them? We can write, it's already written as x squared. Now see how I'm going to write it. X, and I'm putting x as in brackets, x squared, right? And 9, I can write this as 3 square, correct? 3 square is 9. Now the center term for me should be 2 times AB, right? 2 times these two. So what is 2 times 3? Let me write like this. 2 times, let me write 3 first. 3 and then I will write x. So if I have a center term which is twice a and b, which is twice x and 3, which is 6x, then this becomes a perfect square. That means my term should be like this, x squared plus 6x, here it is plus, right, plus 9, so plus 3 squared. So that makes it a perfect square. Now if you compare these 2 equations, what do you find? You find that k should be equal to plus 6. Do you see that? That is what it is. But remember one thing, we could have had minus also here, right? If it was minus, then k would have been minus. So we have 2 answers for this. That is, k could be plus 6 or minus 6, right? So that is how we are going to solve these types of questions, right? Now let's get to part B, right? Part B is kind of slightly more tricky than A. Let's see how is it different. Now first, our strategy is like this only. We have to write this in this form. So the equation trinomial for us, rather the expression of trinomial is x squared minus kx plus 16y squared. I can write this as x squared, and let me leave the middle term for the time being and get to the third term. Third term is plus 4y whole square, right? The 4y whole square. It is not just the number 4, right? So in the center, we should have twice this and this. So let me write twice, and we write 4y first. and then this x. That should be right in the center. Now if I expand this, what do I get? I get x squared minus 8yx plus 4y whole square. Now compare. So when you compare these two equations, what do you see? You see k should be equal to 8y. Do you see that? So k equals to 8y is one of the solutions, right? But remember, if k is 8y, you get minus here, but k could be plus or minus 8y. Both will work, correct? So that is how we can check whether it is a perfect trinomial or not, or what value will make it perfect. If you plug in k as 8y, what do you get? You can factor this as x, I'll write plus minus 4y whole square. And this one can be factored as x plus or minus 3 whole square, correct? So that is what makes it a perfect square. Do you get it? As an exercise, what you can do is, you can expand these and then compare the value of x, k rather, right? Do you get plus minus 6 here and plus minus 8? You will. And that will ensure you that yes, it is the right answer. So follow this strategy and do these 4 questions on your own. Enjoy and perfect the perfect trinomials. Thank you.